Hey guys, how are you doing? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video, which is going to be a haul from Bicester Village. I've got 2 bags. But first off, if you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Matt. Welcome to my channel. If you like a come shop with me, if you like a haul, I normally do a come shop with me around Bicester at least once a month. And that was the previous video, which I'll leave in the clickable I buttons. But if you missed it, you're going to have to subscribe to see those. And if you like other hauls from other come shop with me's and hauls from other places like Primark, Zara, H&M, as well as whole other places, as well as grocery bags, Too Good To Go, grocery bags, grocery hauls, Too Good To Go bags, other vlogs, that kind of thing. If that's your jam, take a moment to subscribe. It's free, no cost to you, and ring my bell to be notified of when I upload. But as I said, today's video is going to be a come shop with, not a come shop with me. We've done the come shop with me, that was the last video, but it's a haul from Bicester. And I did pick up something in Ralph Lauren, Polo Ralph Lauren, and also Tommy Hilfiger today. I know I am wearing a Tommy Hilfiger sweatshirt, but I could not pass the deal up in here. Let's do Tommy Hilfiger first, because that is the first place I bought from. Let me leave that there. I was planning on buying some Christmas gifts, maybe at I normally go into Rituals, which I did go into, but nothing was really shouting out at me. And my mum really likes Ritual stuff, and she's already got the bubble bath foam thing they do. She's already got a few of those, so she doesn't need any more of those and things like that. So I did not pick up anything in there. And I also normally I did go into White Company, very busy, extremely busy actually. Went in there. You could move though, it wasn't super busy. I've seen it busier, but very busy, because it's one of the more affordable places at Bicester, and you can get nice stuff in there, nice gifts like the diffusers, stuff like that. Also, I did nearly buy a Ted Baker scarf, and I'll leave a picture of it here, because you can buy this scarf on the website for £49. In Bicester it was 31. I nearly bought it. It has Ted Baker just written down the size, but in the end I decided against it, because one, I do not really wear scarves enough to justify a £31 scarf, and I have got a really nice Barber one that's red that I don't wear enough, because I really don't wear scarves that often, because I'm a hot person, I'm very warm. So yeah, I decided against it. It seemed a bit like it would attract lint and stuff all over, because it had like that all over it. But it's a really good price. That's a really nice gift. It's really soft, it was very long. £31 is quite expensive for the scarf, but it was £79 originally. So there you go. But first, without further ado, Tommy Hilfiger is where I bought something from. This was, I've got the receipt here. It says it was, I think it was £63 originally, or maybe not. Let me have a look at the actual tag. Okay, it says it was 90, then it must have normally been 63 in the shop, and then it went down, as in the outlet price must have normally been 63, and then it went down to 25 for a Tommy Hilfiger sweatshirt. I was looking at stuff in Primark today, and there is either a Primark come shop with me before this or after this, and some of their jumpers now are £20. So for £5 more, and in Sainsbury's, when I've done a recent come shop with me from there, they're £25, not 25, 20. So I'm this is such a good buy, especially as it was 90 originally, and it's actually Tommy Hilfiger rather than what I'm wearing, Tommy jeans, which is a bit more expensive. And I've seen this on websites fairly recently, but let me tuck that in. It's a really nice beige colour, which, it's like a caramel coffee colour with just Tommy Hilfiger written there and the little logo, and that is it. But I thought that is such a good price for £25. This was literally the cheapest thing in the shop, I think. Actually, no, that's a lie. They had some t-shirts for 17, and some t-shirts for 25. But this is a sweatshirt. It's quite, is it thin? It's not too bad. I'd say it's a bit like this one. This one I got on ASOS 3 years ago, maybe 4. But this I thought was just really nice. I know I've got a lot of sweatshirts and jumpers and things, but this, I could not pass up the £25 for this. So yeah, really, I thought that was such a good deal. I got it in a medium. I haven't tried it on. It's got a nice little detailing on the back. See the bit of detailing? Has it got anything else like that on here? Because I think mine has this. Maybe not. Oh, this sweatshirt has got like the logo there, and oh, not on that side, just on that one there. Has that got on this? Maybe. No, and these cuffs are like super long. Can you see? I don't know if they do this one anymore. Look, it's like double the length, and this isn't like as ribbed as that. So this is probably better quality than this. But I don't know. I just thought you can't, and it's like embroidered on. So nice, and I really like the caramel coffee beige. Let's call this latte colour that it's in, and I do love a Tommy Hilfiger anything. So yeah, I thought that was such a good deal, and especially if it was £90 originally. Really good deal. I thought that was so good. Next is not next, it's Ralph Lauren. Now I haven't bought anything in the Ralph Lauren store at Bicester in years, I think, but I saw this and it was, I think it was originally 80 and then it was 28. So actually a really good price as well, and I did try this on, so I'll show you the picture, the clips of this when I was trying it on, because it was really nice. Okay, the original price of this, allegedly, was £115. Oh, did I show you? I want to show you the price on the Tommy Hilfiger. I should have showed you, shouldn't I? Let me show you so that you can believe me. And please excuse my hands, they are so dry and cut. There you go. Can you see? Such a good deal for that. But this here, this was originally, let's see, 115, and then the outlet price was 80, and then it went down to 28. That's like a massive reduction on that. Now, I'm a great advocate of buying in charity shops, and you can always, for some reason, find Ralph Lauren stuff in charity shops. However, I just thought this was so, it's very festive actually, isn't it? And I think I've seen it in there before, and I got it in a small, and I did try it on and it fits. It's not like a small, and I think it would be, it's quite a thick, it is very thick actually. So this could be like a shacket equivalent, and I know I've got shirts and shackets coming up my ears. So actually, to be fair, there's not that many shackets, but I thought this is so nice. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the logo on it anywhere. Not that that should matter, but, and like if you were paying 115 for this, I feel like people should know that you're wearing Ralph Lauren, but not, it doesn't matter. But yeah, you can't tell, the buttons don't even have it written on or anything. Not that it matters, but I just thought it's really nice, and like buying a shirt in Next is more expensive than this. So really nice. I'll show you the clip of me trying it on. So yes, that is everything. I only picked up 2 things. As I said, I nearly picked up that Ted Baker, what was it? Scarf. I decided against it. Do I need a £31 scarf? I don't wear scarves enough to warrant the price of that. It was so nice. However, don't need it. Save my money, because I should have been on the hunt for like Christmas presents, but you know. But yeah, anyway, that was my haul from Bicester Village. Let me know down below if you've bought anything in Bicester Village recently. Have you been to any other outlets and bought anything in there, like Cheshire Oaks, Clark's Village, Ashford, York Designer Outlet, that new one in Cannock, anything like that? Let me know down below if you picked anything up. Did you pick up any Christmas presents, or did you buy stuff for yourself like me? But yeah, if you're new, please take a moment to subscribe. It's free, there's no cost to you. If you love a come shop with me haul like we've done today, we do Bicester, and normally if I do buy anything in Bicester, it's rare, so I do sometimes not buy anything, but I normally sometimes do. So I normally do Bicester Village Come Shop With Me and haul at least once a month like this. And if you haven't watched the Bicester Village Come Shop With Me part of this video, definitely go watch that basically. But yeah, I do other hauls and come shop with me's as well, and also please take a moment to follow my Instagrams, which are always linked down below. But other than that, thank you so much for watching this video, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye. I didn't want that. Bye.